Good.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. Third period here, 20 minutes back on the board. 4-1 Blizzard. Need something quick here. Need something quick. Tim, give us some of your wisdom here. Let's hear this. Let's hear this.
Not a lot of wisdom. 2-goal leads, we can come back. 3-goal leads are tough. We need one quick. It's now or never.
Okay. This power play's been deadly. All right. There's Chuck on the side here, number 16 here for the Blizzard. He's got it here. Coulomb picks him up. Buchert on the side. He's gonna shoot from there all day long. We like that there. Buchert walking in. Coulomb makes that stop. Fairzy, Emerson from the point. Shot, great block by Coulomb. Ziegler gets knocked off. Good play. There's Chuck. Little how's she going? All right. Fans getting settled in here.
Oh my God, that guy is so open on the backside.
Yeah, there you go. There's Chuck. Emerson right by Vermette there. Schrader. 2:44 left here in that penalty. Great stick by Vermette. We're gonna get a full change here. Full change. Baldwin's gonna change them all up here. There we go. Ziegler. No, that's Radley. I apologize for that. Rabideau keeps that in. 2:21 left here in that penalty there. Emerson gonna go up the gut here. Yeah, back door here. Dirksen. Levac picks him up. Good play there. Nope, still nothing. Almost gets it there. Wienzer, he gets that. Rabideau's working hard here. He tries here. Reimer, back door. Yeah, we got that. Yeah, good play. Good read by Radley there. I like that. Ruier. Radley's going to come for a change. Emery's going to stay on. Good play there. Emery. Little chip by there. Levac takes his man. Ebert throws it around. Levac gets in his way. Reimer's soccer player there. Rabideau's got to go here. No. Gets his pocket pick. No. Yeah. Great stick here. Shot from the slot. Wien save. Shot to the head. I think the headman thinks he's going to call it down. We're going to have a change here. Roland Vermette. 1:16 left. Emery's going to come off here. Coulomb's going to go back on. Rewarded for his couple blocks there. That's good. Great win there by Roland there. Yeah, does get out. Back to Roland here. One-on-one against Emerson. No, shot. Blocked by Emerson there. Good play. Roland, a little how's she going. Buchert. Roland's got this here. Roland's going to dump it down. 48 seconds left in that penalty. That spearing penalty there. Roland tries. Yeah, good play on Emerson. Vermette's going to dump that down. 35 seconds left here. Neufeld then set free. Schrader. Can't get it out. Blizzard set up on the sidewall here. Vermette. Does it get out? Three seconds left. 3, 2. That's good. Too many men. Same play as before. Again, too many men. There we go. Now we got it. There we go. Crowd gone wild on the other side. All right, having some fun here, having some fun. Still going hard on the other side there. We like it. We're not going to mention any names. No names are going to be mentioned here.
Let's get going.
Vermet Como, Robidou. All right, gets by. Throws it up front. Got to use this. Got to use this. Got to use this. Nope. Nope. Reimer was in deep there. Got to use that. Yep. All right. Okay. Ziegler behind the net here. He's going to come out. He's going to skate. Little how's she going? Back to Como. Como gets intercepted. Roland's got it here. Here he goes, Roland. Roland, shot. Off Unger's stick and outside of play. Little chirp by Unger there to Roland. All right, new power play unit comes out. 1:06 left in that penalty. 15:54 left in the third period. 4-1. Need one here, need one here. Radley does keep it in. Levac on the sidewall. He wants to come up, needs some help. Throws it to Ferzy. Ferzy comes over it. Levac's got that. Levac. Levac to Como. Como back to Levac. Shoot! Bingo, bingo! That's what we needed. That is what we needed. Great shot by Levac. Puts it home. One-timer. Old school one-timer. There it is. Great pass by Como. Great pass by Como. Took all the flex out of that stick. Took all the flex out of that stick. Put it home. 4-2, Timbo. What do you think here? 4-2.
Hey, got them.
There's time.
4-2. 14:31 here. Need a big comeback here. I like it. I like it. I like it. Here we go. Bench is a little excited here. I like to see it. Let's go here. Yeah, there we go. All right, here we go. Not sure what that was about, but center ice face off. Ziegler from the point goes wide. Coulomb dumps it back in. No, we got offside here. We got offside here. 14:10 left in the third period. Little 4-2 action here. Robidou, Rouet, Como, Coulomb, and Ziegler. Robidou to Ziegler. Ziegler up the middle. Rouet gets that. Rouet's got to go hard here. He's got to go hard. You got to take that hit there. That's what I think. That's what I think. Thiessen, backdoor. Como's got him. Thiessen dancing here. That's going to get out. Como's going to win this race. Yep, he's going to try. He's going to try. Penalty over here. Ziegler going to keep that in. Ruiz got to go. Ruiz got to go here. Gets thrown up. 2-on, 2-on. Just one. Reimer forcing here. He's going to stop. Ziegler's going to go. No. Little change here. Little back pass into Derriere. Don't like that. Here goes Ziegler. Ziegler gets knocked off the puck by Reimer. Como, no. Como on this side. Doesn't see Dirksen. Shot in front. Weens with the save there. Weens with the save. Timbo, did we see game sponsors today?
Don't think we mentioned them yet.
All right, game sponsors today. Mach 1 Construction. For all your construction needs, please see Mach 1. And Training Ground Gym in Niverville. Thank you. We appreciate everything you guys do for us. All right, back to the game. Vermette. Vermette's going to whip it around. Levac. Levac goes up the middle. Puck does get out. Vermette almost tries there. Yeah, Fairzy back out there. We got offside. Offside. We got time. Still offside. Still offside. Goes cross size. Too many. Too many. There's lots of guys out there. Nope, that's okay. That's okay. Blizzard are allowed to play with more than 5 guys. Oh, great save by Weens. Great save. That was a beaut. That was a beauty by Weens. That was a beauty. Yeah. Tyler's got to tee him up. You guys got to tee him up. You guys got to give him a tee. Yeah, there we go. There we go. He's looking for the hook in the hold. Hook in the hold. No go. Coulomb, great play. Comeau's going to skate out with it here. Double C's. 4-2 here. 11:48 left in the third period. Time winding down for the Jets here. We need another quick one here. Need another quick one. Buchert goes cross ice to Verschuk. Right in the goalie. No trip there, no trip there. No trip there. I don't know. I don't know. Goalie interference. Yep. Yep. Goalie interference. I got it. I got it. I got that call from here. All right, here we go. Everybody ready to go here. 11:30 left in the third period. 4-2. Need a quick one here. Robidoux going to come off here. Like to see veteran linesman Marty Sev make that call there. In goalie interference. 4 minute. Yep. Great hit by Vermette there. Here comes Roland. Roland heads up. Yep, he knows. He knows. Nothing on the play here. Nothing on the play. Got to move the puck. Got to move the puck. Schrader's going to skate out here. Schrader here. All right. Levac against Schrader. Schrader got that. He's going to whip it around. Ziegler's going to go. Vermette's got to get that out. No, he does not. Weens is going to block that. Levac doesn't let. All right. Emery, Radley, Robidoux, Rouillet, and Comeau come out. 10:38, Timbo.
Still doable.
We need something here. We need something. We need something. Reimer gets dumped there off the draw. Robidoux, good play there. Needs to do something here, though. He's going to go to Emery. Emery's going to come up to Rouillet. Rouillet can't handle that. No ice, no ice. Defense came in there for the hit. Icing waved off. Comeau intercepts that. Radley jumps in though. We got a 2-on-1. just wide. Dirksen just wide. Jowett from the top. Great save, nothing there. It stays inside. Coulomb, Levac jump on. Vermette, roll in, and Fairzy. It's time here, it's time. It's rolling time here. Let's go here. 10 minutes left. Halfway through the third period. Good hit, good hit. Levac takes that. That's a good play. I like that. Here he comes rolling against Emerson. Can he beat him? Yeah, he does. Shot!
No.
Menard with the save again. Menard with the save. Timbo, that Menard starting to get on my last nerve here. I'd like to see him. I'm going to give him the announcer's curse. What do you think about that? I'm going to give him the announcer's curse. I just gave it to him. Let's see next shot. See what happens. Levac's going to pinch. Levac all alone. No play there. Ziegler from the point. That's blocked. Still gets it back. Look how's she going against Buchert. Is he going to throw it in? Goes to Roland shot. Oh, Menard makes that save. I guess the announcer's curse didn't work here.
Right off the cocoa.
Right off the coconut.
That one was pretty hard.
You put the lime in the cocoa. I think that's a song. I believe it is. All right, Menard's okay. Menard's okay. His dad's a St. Malo boy there. He's good. He's good. Got a little St. Malo blood in him there. That's good. He's okay. That's good. Okay, here we go. Rabideau with a draw here. Needs a draw. Trevor Sherry says he needs to win the draw here. So let's see this. No, loses the draw. No good. Gave the fans curse there. Good, offside, good. Everything's good now. Yeah. Good play by Rabideau. No. Into the meshing. Into the meshing. 8:48 left in the third period for the viewers at home. 4-2. Still 4-2. Full change here. Full change. Everybody's changing. All right. Coulomb here. Coulomb's got it here. Oh, a little giveaway to Schrader. Does get through. Wings makes that save. All right. All right. Yeah, be sure. Be sure. All right. Fairzy's gonna go to work here. No, Fairzy can't get through there. Rabideau comes in. Coulomb's got it. Oh, rifles it at Radley. Here he goes. Ruiz against Schrader. Schrader walking in. Ooh, just above. Nice shot by Schrader there. Schrader coming around as a hockey player today. Coming around. Let that hitting from behind go there and starts to play hockey. I like that. That's better play by him. That's good. Schrader gets it in deep. Lonnie calling it for Coach Lonnie. We got a hooking. No hooking. Says no. Says no on Radley there. 7:48 left here. Time is the enemy. Time is the enemy. Rabideau fighting against Schrader. Papa Rabideau dumps it down. All right, they got it. They got it, Coach Lonnie. Don't worry about it. They got it. They got it. Everybody's okay here. Everybody's okay there. Here we go. 7:28 left in the third period here, 4-2. Ruir? No, Ruir can't get that out. Needs to get that out. Coulomb. Rabadou. Rabadou down low. Gets cross-check from behind. Another cross-check. Keeps going though. Yeah, still got it. Great play to Fairzy. Fairzy. Defense are going to change. Full D here. Changement des défenses. Fairzy going to go for a change. Roland jumps on. 6:56 left in the third period. Need one close here. Don't want to wait till the end. Roland. Roland.
Hate that.
Menard again. Menard again.
Now he's got a scar on each side of the coco.
He put the lime on the coco. All right. Here we go. 6:45 left in that third period. 4-2. Doing everything I can, putting curses on everybody here. Nothing's working. Trying my best. Timbo, maybe you need a Timbo curse here. Rolling! Just a bit outside. Big hit by Como. Como dancing here. He puts it in deep. Roland's gonna come in. Leaves it there. Verchuk picks that up. Vermette hits him. Perfect play. Emery from the point. Too high, too high. Got to keep that low. Ziegler. Ziegler in the corner. He throws it to a quiet zone. Roland's got to go. He does. Buchert. Buchert chips it out. Buchert. Buchert by himself. He bobbles that. Ziegler's going to pick this up. 5:54 left in the third period. Yeah, Ziegler skates that out. Ziegler's going to go. Levac's going to jump on. Emery's going to come off. Ziegler. Buchert. Buchert goes rink wide. Vermette's going to keep that in. Shot. Menard with the save. Need some traffic in front of Menard. All right. 5:32 left in this third period. Time winding down. Time is our enemy here. Coulomb keeps it in. Coulomb dumps it down. Levac forces that. He's got to go here. Schrader in the corner. Five on five here. 5 on 5, not killing. Great play. Ruiz got to pick that up. He can't. Yeah, that's good play. You got to help. You got to help. That's got to be the worst rule that they have right now. Puck stays in. Guy deliberately throws it out, and then the puck stays inside. I think I ever get back into reffing Timbo, I'm still calling it outside. I don't care. That's got to come outside. Oh, that one had eyes. That one had eyes. No, come on, doesn't want that. Doesn't want. Roland's going hard. I like that. He's looking good right now. Oh, takes a hit. You're not going to be happy with that hit. Emery's going to come back hard here. Emery. Como chips that out. Roland's going to go. Nothing on the play there. We got one here. Emery's going to come off. Ziegler's going to stay out. Radley from the point. Vermette working hard. He needs some help. Ziegler's got it here. Ziegler dumps in tight. Oh, in front, Menard's going to smother that. All right. Here we go. Rabadou's going to try to win this one here. Unger. Great play. We got offside. We got offside. Yeah, that's good play. There you go. Ziegler's got it. Ziegler to Ruir. No. That's good call. That's good call. Ferzy's going hard. In front. Ruir. Robidoux. Ferzy. There it is. Ferzy. Announcer favorite Ferzy put his hard hat on and went to work. Bingo bango. It's in back of the net. 4-3. 3:45. There it is. That's how you do it. G-Town, here we go. Bingo, bango, in the net. All right. Just need veteran referee Marty Seff to make another couple of good calls in our favor, and there we go. Bingo, bango. I like it. Come on, shaking and baking out there. I like it. Here we go. Fans are back into it. There it is! Rolling! Rolling down the river. Rolling down the river. Come on to the rolling town. Yepers, here we go. Here we go. You ready?
Yeah.
Sing it, go. Rolling down the river, rolling down the river. All right, thanks for the help. I appreciate it. All right, fans are back in this game. 4-4, third period, 3:28 left. We got offside, here we go. Ziegler dancing. He tries to get it. Come on! Oh, baby! Oh, almost! That would have been a great Mick Camo there. Levac keeps it in. We apologize. We can't get that on camera. I can't see either, but that's okay. Everybody's happy. Everybody's going hard. Camo tries. 2:53 tie game, 4-4. Shot, Weens. Levac's got that. He's going to chip it out. High stick. No high stick on the plate. Vermet's got it. One-on-one. Shot. Menard makes that save. A little shaky. I think we rattled them. Announcer's curse here. Here we go. Bingo bango. Here we go. 2:30 left in the third period here. 4-4 tie. Coulombe's got it.
Oh,
Coulombe off the windows. Ferzy.Ferzy's got to pick that up. We need a back check here. Schrader picks that up. Schrader, great play by Coulombe there. Radley dumps it out. We got icing though. Icing on the play here. Yep. That one had a bit too much curl on that one. 2 minutes left here. 2:02, third period, 4-4. Robidoux, big draw for Robidoux here. Yeah, does win that. Takes control here. Yeah, Ferzy! Here comes Ferzy! Announcer favorite, bingo bango! No, great save by Menard. Wowzers! Here we go. Buchert a little wide. There's Chuck. Vermet hits him, comes around. Como's got to get that out. Vermet picks it up. Radley's got it now. Interference, double interference. All right, 1:28 left. Timeout Jets here. 1:28 left in the third period. Vermet goes for 2 for interference. Timbo, what do you think here?
Well, at this stage, I'll take the tie. Get that puck out of our end.
Yeah, I think we just need a tie here. Weens are looking hot there. I like that. Weens are looking hot. Menard, I'm going to give him the old announcer's curse again here. Give him the old announcer's curse. .128, third period here. Coach Lonnie giving his instructions to the Blizzard here. All right, here we go. 128. Ziegler, Levac, Como rolling. Weens looks ready here. 4-4. 2 minutes. Roland doesn't get that. Goes across to Verchuk. Levac block. Ooh, that one had eyes, Timbo. That one had eyes. Great play by Weens there.
Walk someone out, eh? Walk someone out. Don't puck watch. Pick up line white.
All right, 1:17 left here. Third period, 4-4. Roland loses that one. Verchuk. No, that's Schrader. Schrader on the side. Point shot. Verchuk from the side. In front, scores. Gotta pick up that man. Gotta pick up that man. Okay, 1 minute left here, Timbo. Let's make it exciting again here. Let's get this back here. All right, here we go. 5-4. Blizzard power play again. All right. Told him here, gotta go. Reimer hard on him, rolling. Little chip. No, it's got to be a little chip. No ice, no ice. Here he goes. Vermette's going to jump back on here. 39 seconds left. 5-4. They got it. They got it. Somebody's got it. All right. Boarding penalty here. Here we go. 34 seconds left. All right, 5-4, open net. Goalie has been pulled. Wins it back, come on! Oh, baby, oh, that was the chance. That was the chance. All right, 22 seconds left here. All right, Vermette here. Vermette, 22 seconds left. Levac retrieves. He's got to go. He goes to Ziegler, back to Levac. Levac's got to go. Ziegler keeps it in, 7 seconds, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Bingo, Dunzo. Game over. No go. No go. All right. 5-4 loss here. Timbo, it was a great comeback.
It was one heck of a comeback.
It was a beauty. just that special teams again. That power play, we got to find a way to kill that power play there. I'm not sure what else we got to do here, but yeah.
Yeah, that power play killed us. Wow, that was bad.
I think that was 5 power play goals.
It might have been, yeah.
Yeah, we're going to have to review the tape, but 4 for sure. So, yeah. Timbo, not much to say about this anymore. We're going to stay with you guys here for a bit here. Just stay for you guys here. Blizzard coaches are, they decide not to shake hands with the players. That's okay.
That's okay.
That's no problem. That's fine. It's better off that way sometimes.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't mind that. That's okay. That's fine. All right, so Jets got to wait up there. They got to hold up. All right, well, Timbo, we'll see you tomorrow then, eh?
Tomorrow, Niverville.
Niverville, who do we got tomorrow? Snipers? Snipers, so that's another tough one here for us.
Another top team, yeah.
Yeah, so we'll see you guys tomorrow and go from there.
Good enough.
Adios.
Doop.